Sorry, just slipped on a puddle. Good job, guys. Only 20 miles to go. What?
What?
20 miles? Do we have to do this all night? My legs are killing me.
Yeah, and it'll take forever to get to the Mushroom Kingdom, Ratchet.
Come on, guys. It'll be fun. Besides, Mario's our friend, and it wouldn't hurt to just visit the Mushroom Kingdom. Oh, for the love of Pete. I wish I were back at my swamp with Fiona and the kids. And I wish I were back at the Peanuts world with Charlie Brown. Yeah, I wish I were back home to my world too. This outdoor world is dangerous.
There might be probably spiders. Lots of spiders.
Well, come on, you scaredy cats. We have a friend to visit. Now let's go.
Okay, here we go.